gonna do today, we're gonna give ourselves 30 minutes to get this room spick and span.
You know what, it's all good. I'm quite looking forward to today's clean because I've just been out and done a big fat shop of all my favourite cleaning products.
And I actually use PayPal to buy these bits because did you know you can get a PayPal debit card now?
And because I signed up to PayPal Plus, when I use it to buy stuff, I earn points which I can use on my future purchases.
You guys know by now that I buy an awful lot of cleaning products, so if I'm buying them, I might as well be earning points at the same time. At least that's what I tell myself when I go to the till with an absolute trolley full.
I'm doing it for the points.
Oh, we love a good damp dust around here, and this fire half needed
And
it. Somehow we're halfway through the timer and I've still got the rest of the room to sort.
That wasn't too bad, but please now draw your attention to my stairs.
At this point I'm thinking, why didn't I opt for the runner? Because I may as well have carpeted stairs with the amount of fur that's on them.
And some mysterious looking stains have come to my attention on the risers, so we're just gonna get rid of them.
I'm convinced my house would be spotless if I didn't have pets, but what is the fun in that? Also, please take a second to admire the flowers that Tom bought me for being engaged for a year. How romantic is that?
What's not romantic is these annoying little stains, so let's get rid of them.
And I'm prepping. Can she do it?
Of course she can. I change his bed 3 times a week. I'm like a machine on them sheets.
And that is the clean, complete, all fueled by products purchased using my PayPal debit card.
Make sure you sign up to PayPal Plus today